Today we're making fried peanuts.
和 oil. Put the peanuts into the oil.
One important point is that the oil must be heated in a cold state before being added to the pan.
If you put the peanuts into the hot oil, it's very boom.
Then it needs to be constantly stirred. And you can't stop because if you do, the oil will spill out. My arms are very tired
But I cannot stop.
because if I stop stir frying, the oil will splatter everywhere.
When the color gets red and the peanut becomes bigger, it means it's okay. Need to add some salt and pepper. Chopstick. That's a good smell. When it's become cold, the peanut will very crispy. But at this time it's hot. If you eat it, it's soft and very hot. Okay. When it becomes cold, I could try it. See?
Lovely day, lovely mood.